Just give me one bumbo clock minute. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, it's been a busy week, a crazy week. What we have to talk about is one thing when we zip on YouTube where people are talking about a whole week and I talk about it. So I'm gonna put my 2 cents in. But before we go any further, please drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there if you're brand new. We're very close to 1,000 subscribers, so please drop a like, spread the word to YouTube universe, and drop a comment as well. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Listen, a lot of people on YouTube world and even my friends, the chat group keep talking about it. Say, if England call Messi Greenwood right now, it might go. Oh, England will play double D, triple deck check chess however the fuck them man call it. Listen, people, as evidence of the past 4 years, Mason Greenwood has zero desires to play for England. Listen, let me tell you, Mason Greenwood has zero desire to play for England. You remember me tell you that. All that man want to do is play football. Yes, as a young youth growing up, you can imagine he wanted to play for England, wanted to wear the 3 lions and shit. But after what happened with English media, with the FA, what happened with Mason Greenwood and the woman and the people in the English media, Mason Greenwood will never go back at England. Let me explain to you why. England called him up 2000, maybe 2019, 2000. He will play one friendly match, I think, at Iceland. Yeah? No, Phil Foden, I've seen him in the group, yeah. Phil Foden, I have Mason Greenwood, and I've seen him in the group. Told them go look man, yeah. Party man, whatever you have to. Break COVID rules, right? Both of them get suspended. The media take a wrench into Mason Greenwood. Why? Because he's a Manchester United supporter, right? Phil Foden never too care about him. Phil Foden have a woman, he have a picnic at the time, But no, him take a wrench at Mason Greenwood. Felt to him like shit the entire time. Point one. Point two, the incident that happened recently, 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, with Mr. Greenwood and his girlfriend. No, I was the one who said Mr. Greenwood was stupid, do what he did. It was dumb. Maybe they have difference, maybe something happened, maybe it didn't happen. But what I do know now is that they made up, they plan to get married, they have a picnic, squash. The government, police try charge him. They couldn't have enough evidence. The court dropped the cases. Yeah? But the media, English people on Twitter and all over the world start talking all sorts of shit about Mason Greenwood. The man start talk all sorts. Have a compilation of the video and they just keep playing it and playing it and playing it. Play it and play it and play it. Every time he score a goal last year, I got a fit, then play it. This year, he score 5 goals this season, then play it. Because they want to remind the world of Mason Greenwood is evil, Mason Greenwood is bad, Mason Greenwood is shit. You think for a second that Mason Greenwood will want to engage himself in the English media again after that? You think Mason Greenwood will want to listen to a call from the FA? If the FA get a come to Jesus moment right now and say, more and bring Mason Greenwood to the team, and Mason Greenwood get that call, Mason Greenwood will say, no, because of what they did to him. The FA didn't defend him. Manchester United supported him. Manchester United understood, yes, that the country, the media, most of Manchester United fans in Manchester didn't like what Mason Greenwood did or didn't do. And so they said, no, he cannot play for our club again. I, as a Manchester United fan living overseas, I don't give a fuck. He wasn't charged for anything, fam. I wanted Mason Greenwood in Manchester United, but that's story for another day. So what I am saying is, you man can drop that argument about Mason Greenwood, not the FA play three deck chess out of him because then probably will call him back. No, Mason Greenwood will never ever fit in the FA ever again. You will never wear that 3 lion shirt. You remember me tell you that. So whenever I'm getting blood clot visa and in passport, just know Mr. Greenwood, the black and blood, black, green and gold. You remember me tell you that. People, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Bless up yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.